Hi folks, for our auction website, we obviously need a user page where the logged in user can see their transaction record and edit their profile. In the seventh video presentation from my MERN project, we'll look at the user profile page. As you can see in this page, the navbar color is different from the navbar in other pages. I just wanted to create color themes for each page. That's why it's yellow here. But in the main page, it's orange. And in bidding page, it's green. Do you think it's a good practice to have color themes in pages, or should I stick to the same shade all over the pages? Alright, now we can break down the user page. On the left, we have the user badge, whose design changes depending on window width, like this. But we will see the responsive design at the very end of the video anyway, so I will wait for that. This badge includes a very short summary of user details. We logged in with this email, user4@gmail.com, and the username for this email is winner66. And on the right, we have a detailed account of user transactions such as bidding history, auctions attended so far, or reservation details, auction bookings. These are like reservation tickets for upcoming auctions, if there are any. And down here, we have edit profile section. Like login and register forms, this edit profile form also makes selective requests to the node server and provides different feedback messages to the user. So let's test it out. We can start by trying to update our username. As you can see, the current username is winner66 for this email. Let's make it code your way to freedom and try to update the username. Nope, we haven't made a request to the server yet. This warning is coming from the client side. Could not update the username because the username must be 8 characters long and must include only letters and numbers. But obviously, we have a username that's too long. So let's try winner66. Winner66 and hit enter. Still not working because we're not allowed to change it to the same username, which would be useless. So let's try to make it winner67 and hit enter. Yep, it works. User updated. And as you can see, the feedback message disappears because uh, success messages don't persist while error messages do in this configuration. Now maybe we can update the password. Our current password is A111111 and an 8. And try to change password. We obviously cannot change the password because we haven't provided a new password. And in the feedback message, we get this: could not update the password. Uh, Please make sure that the current password is correct. We already entered the correct password, but new password must be 8 characters long minimum and must include at least one letter and one number. So let's try to enter the same password, our current password, A111111 and 8. And when I hit change password, we will see a slight change in this error message. Hit enter, can't change it to the same password. This time we are receiving an additional information from the node server because it's not possible to change the password to the same password. So maybe we can change the new password to 111, A111111, and instead of 8 at the end, we will make it 9 at the end. And when I hit change password, if I get a success response from the server, we will see a success message here, but in 2 seconds we will be logged out automatically. Let's try it and I'll explain. Password update successful. As soon as the password is updated, the server automatically logs us out, so we need to log back in. User4 at gmail.com. A111111, and instead of 8 we will put a 9 here and log in again. And here we have it. If I go to my profile, as you can see, the username was winner66. Now it's winner67. By the way, when we change the username, it automatically updates it as soon as we change it. But for the password, when we change the password, the system logs us out and we have to log in again. So, and we still have the same user, but the username changed, and we successfully updated our password and we logged in with the new password. So now we can test this user profile page in responsive mode. Let me just change the screen size of for screen width below 991 pixels. We have a different design like this. The badge goes away, and instead we have this image. So I'll just right click and inspect the page and see it in responsive mode. And for mobile devices, our view will be like this. This is the mobile view. We still have this edit profile section, auction bookings, etc. And maybe try Nexus 4. It's slightly larger. It will be like this. And maybe try iPad mini. With iPad mini, it's going to look like this with tablets. And maybe I can try Nest Hub Max, a very large device like the initial view. It's going to look like this with this device.